Hey, hi all. So today I am going to unbox a new IKEA product, which is a revised product, which you can say from IKEA. IKEA used to offer a USB cables for quite a long time now, and the thing is their USB cable was not so reliable, and they had some of the other issues with the product, and hence IKEA has brought up a new package as well as an improved version of their USB cable. The product name remains the same, which is the Lillhult, and earlier they used to not mention the power information on their product, on the boxes of their product, but this time they do. So the cable what I'm going to unbox today is a USB type A to USB type C, which is 1.5 meters in length, which is 4 feet and 11 inches. It's a 3 ampere 5 to 20 volts, and the maximum speed it can offer is 480 mbps. So let's quickly unbox it and have a first look how the cable looks. The price quoted here, which I was just seeing, is 659 rupees, but then you get it for just 399 rupees. It's almost done. So this is the cable. I bought it in this blue color. It comes in two colors, which is a gray color and a blue color. I had a gray color before, which you can find it in one of my video. The product still remains the same. The quality of the cable is a braided material. There is this IKEA branding on the ports on the either side. This is the USB type A and this is the USB type C. And yeah, the thing is, what I feel is from the previous cable that this particular thing is changed. This is now a bit strong. This looks a bit good, and yeah, hopefully this will work fine. This will work good. And so this is the cable. Again, this is the box, and yeah, this is the cable, and we are here to end the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.